ket lek mar neno ne chiemo obedo moromo. Riwruok mar Central Region Economic Bloc kata Serebo chako chenro mag romo gi jokanyo matayo sekta mar pur kendo imiyogi puonj e yore mag teknolojia mag pur. Riwruogni onyondo counties mag Murang'a, Nyandarua, Nakuru, Laikipia, Embu, Tharaka Nithi, Kirinyaga gi Kiambu.
Change is as good as what your neighbors are doing. We thought it would create economic sense as a block if we can move as a team of 10 counties and make agroecology our center of focus in terms of food security for the region.
And this connects to a lot of other developments in the world related to the upscaling of agroecology. So Tanzania launched their own ecological organic agriculture policy, which is about ecological farming practices, also agroecology, and there is a global movement of countries who are making it their national priorities to spread agroecological practices.
This time we are campaigning on farmers growing or bringing up their crops organically, because when we are using what we call synthetic fertilizers, ama zile tunaita fertilizer ambazo ziko na chemicals, hiyo inatumika na inaleta madhara mengi sana katika miili ya watu. So this is why we are saying we better stop